Hello everyone. So today we will be studying how to search records, to sort records and to filter records in SS 2016. So firstly, as already we have created three tables. As you know, we have created three tables, that is student detail, book detail and book issued. These are the three tables created. The stud ID is the primary key in the student detail. Book ID, it is the primary key in book detail table, and over here book ID and STID, I have made this as the foreign key, that is the primary key of the student detail and book detail. Over here I have used it over here as a foreign key. Then we have also created a relationship. I have explained to you how to create relationships between tables. So today we will be searching for record. Now suppose I want to search for a record of the name Asha. I want to search for Asha. This is a small list, but where there is a long list, a very big data. So over there if I want to search for the name Asha, so which are the steps? On the home tab, in the find group, click on find. So you get a find and replace dialog box. Find what? So look in, firstly select look in student details. Stud ID is the column name and the student detail is the whole table. So I will write over here Asha. Look for, find what? Asha, and search all. Search all. Why all? Because there can be multiple entries with the name Asha. So search all and then click on find next. So the name Asha, wherever it is, if it comes multiple times, it will be reflected over here. So this is how you will search for records in SS 2016. The next is how to sort record. Sorting. Now you can sort it in ascending or else descending orders. Suppose I want to sort the records, the student name, I want to sort it in ascending order. It is not in ascending order. Ascending order means what? The name with A, letter A, then B, C, D. Likewise in ascending order, I want to sort this data in ascending order. So how will I do that? Select this table, sorry, this column, just select this column. And can you see this in the home tab, the sort and filter group, sort and filter group, you have A to Z, Z to A. So I'll just click on this A to Z, that is ascending sorting. So see, the names are sorted in ascending order. Likewise, you can sort order columns over here if you want it in descending order. So for that also you have an option to sort it in descending order. Now suppose if you want to clear this sorting, so what can you use? Over here clear all sorts. To clear all the sorts, जैसा पहले था वैसा ही चाहिए हो, so we can clear the sorting over here, clear all sorts. So likewise you can clear the sorting also. So this is how you will use the sorting option in SS 2016. Next is how to filter records. Filter means what? To extract a few records. How to filter that? So to filter record. Now suppose I want to filter record over here. So there are classes 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 2, 8, 5, 8. So suppose I want the filter of only class 2 and 3. the students of only class 2 and 3. So I can apply filter over here on this column. I can apply filter. So how to apply filter? Firstly, select this column. In the home tab, go to sort and filter. And over here, click on filter. When you click on filter, see. So here, select all, just unselect it. And then select 2 and 3. And click on OK. So see, only class 2 and 3 is displayed. The record of class 2 and 3 students are displayed over here. Now, suppose if you want to clear this filter. अब ये filter तो हो चुका है, आपको ये वापस clear करना है. So to clear this filter, you will use the toggle filter option over here. Just click on this toggle filter. That will remove all the filters applied. So again, you can see all the data that you have in your sheet. Okay, so that was all for today. Thank you.